Time management. 1. Set clear goals and priorities. Identify your short-term and long-term goals. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. 2. Use a planner, calendar, or app. Write down all tasks, appointments, and deadlines. Set reminders and notifications. Review and update your schedule regularly. 3. Break tasks into smaller chunks. Divide large tasks into smaller, manageable tasks. Create a task list with specific actions. Focus on one task at a time. 4. Create a daily routine. Establish a consistent wake-up and bedtime schedule. Set specific times for work, study, and leisure activities. Include time for self-care and relaxation. 5. Learn to say no. Set boundaries with others. Avoid overcommitting. Prioritize your own needs and goals. 6. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. Minimize distractions. Take breaks between tasks. 7. Use time blocking. Schedule specific times for tasks. Set a timer or alarm. Focus on the task without distractions. 8. Take regular breaks. Take short breaks every hour. Use breaks to relax and recharge. Avoid burnout. 9. Eliminate distractions. Identify common distractions, social media, email, phone notifications. Minimize or eliminate them while working. Use tools like website blockers or phone apps to help. 10. Review and adjust. Regularly review your schedule and task list. Adjust as needed. Celebrate. Thank you.